Pisces, my water babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is transformation, confirmation. You are changing not only for the betterment of the world, but for yourself. I know you're a totally different person, totally different being than you've ever been. It's definitely transitioning from the last seasons. Even the last 10 years, you're a totally different person. You've gone through a lot of situations where you're wondering, like, why am I going through it? But the person that you are today would never been able to rise, would never been able to sustain, would never be able to stand forth and be the example of strength that you are now if you didn't go through those tough times, those awkward times. You become a great being, a healer, a comforter, a leader, and I need you. The whole world needs you, and we thank you. I'm constantly evolving, and I improve inwardly by working on my weaknesses and refining my strengths and becoming an all-powerful being. We understand just because we're born with a weakness or we've found a new weakness that we stop. No, we can refine that and make that a strength, and therefore we continue to move along, become an all-powerful being, and enjoy this great world that we live in. Life ensures that I'm presented with situations that help me learn and grow, and I'm aware of my progress, and I open my wings to light. As you learn, you grow, you become stronger. Therefore, bigger blessings can come your way where you can maintain them. We will not be like a ball and chain. No one can trust anyone with a ball and chain, but we can trust you with weight that it feels as light as a feather, because rain, sleet, or snow, you won't drop it. You'll maintain it, sustain it. Therefore, life becomes a living and not surviving. And you went from the shed to the penthouse to the beachfront house to the acres of land to the mansion, because you've been able to grow and be able to become strong enough to maintain these blessings. Love one another, be kind to one another, love yourself, continue to transform. I love you too.